Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making hot and spicy cabbage chicken curry sauce. Here I have my bell pepper. I have my red, green, yellow and orange bell pepper. I also have my carrot and my small size cabbage. Also have my spring onion. For this recipe, they are not just limited to this vegetable. Feel free to add any vegetable of your choice. So I'll be proceeding to wash and cut them to our desired shapes and sizes. Right now I'm done cutting them. Next, I'll be proceeding to cooking our proteins. We'll be using chicken for this recipe, and I've added our mixed herbs, some onion, some ginger powder. Next, I'll be adding a little curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, and our chopped ginger and some salt to taste. Next, I'll be adding our chopped pepper, fresh pepper, and I'll be rinsing our chopper with a little water, and I'll be cooking on a medium heat. Next, I added a bouillon cube. Give it a quick stir and allow it to bring out its own juice. Cooking on a medium heat. 15 minutes later, this is what we have. Of course, the stock is small, so I went in with my chicken stocks. I had this in the freezer, so I just added it and I'll be allowing it to defrost, and I'll be seeing the quantity of the liquid we'll have. If it's small, I'm going to be adding more liquid, so we'll have much curry sauce. I'll give it a stir. Behind the camera, I've added a little more water, so it's okay the quantity it's giving us now. Next, I added my light soy sauce, a tablespoon of our oyster sauce, our chopped garlic. I'll give it a quick stir, and I'll be adjusting by adding some spices. I added curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, ginger, and mixed herbs. Next, I added my carrots. The carrot seemed to be the tougher one among all our vegetables, so I added it first, went in with my onion and our other vegetables. And next, I'll be adding our cabbage. If you're still watching till this point, please do not forget to give me a subscription. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post more videos. Please hit the notification bell. Thank you if you've done so, and God bless you. So I'm done adding all our vegetables. I'll be stirring, and I tested to see if everything is okay, and I needed to adjust by adding a little more salt. For our thickener, I'll be adding our dissolved cornstarch. Give it a stir and I'll cover the pot. Few minutes later, this is what we have, and I went in lastly with our spring onion. You wouldn't want to overcook your vegetable, so I have turned our heat at the low point so that it doesn't overcook our vegetable. I'll give it a stir, and this is what we'll have, guys. Please do not forget to give me a subscription to get notified whenever I post more videos. The aroma coming out from my kitchen at this point is so nose blinding, trust me. See you again in my next one, and do have a beautiful week ahead.